Welcome once more to FM Bazaar. This is Badly Brought Up, presented to you. This is the English news. First, the heading. A Cameroonian Sango and a Cameroonian Nyango have dated an untimely die in the United States of America, USA, because of a little marital setback and extramarital kananakin/tumari. A certain Brenda that is bungalowing in a certain palace have started to be dating on kind doors, like say his gopo is not balancing in the inside. Now the news in full. Chris Takam, a Cameroonian pariman, was did a ballistic dose in Manyakama Bobe, in Don and Ndutu in the United States of America, USA. He was to station a Tuhai and Tuhai his Nyango in the Ngopo and turn around and also Tuhai his own Ngopo, and the twice of them was dated. The true thing that was there was that Chris is a pariman that was fell in the bush since and was when and be hustling and be disintegrating his kind bolos, and was suited that when he was have his money, he was came dead in the Cameroon and married this his nyang gonderi, his nyang nyango, nyangashos with all innuendum / pepelistic and nyangalistic tendency. He saw that there was went to the USA of America, United States, USA, and started to be living and doling themselves. They was born there ish Njaka, twice Njaka, and thrice Njaka. But as how they are spoken that Nyanga is nanging and trouble is coming to wake up it. Chris was when and did a little cutback, a little marital cutback. That means that hitting of peelings with a other gonderi out of the marital bungalow in his little testing. When Chris was when and cut this marital cutback, Hanyango was wasted it and was spoke to that, hey Chris, you have took me and brought me in the year. We are born thrice in Jackass, and you are wanting to be cutting a little cutback in the outside with other gonderes. Before Chris was one to say that where my Nyango I am back, you know, it was a mistake cutback that I cutted. Hanyango was already vexed and was told that, seeing that you want to show me that you are a Nanga, you are a cutbacker, I shall show you that I am a wa. It's so that she was wanted and started to be tumarin and knocking extramarital kanda with a other pariman that is a Sarah. This pariman that is a Sarah is a former Ndambanaka. And because Ndambanakas are also a walistic Kananakas, this pariman was knocked this Nyango in Ituma suited that this Nyango was here a minion and she was no one to went back to Mr. Takam. It's so that because of a minion that she was hearing, she was went back and told his pariman that he wondered this married that they have married to Chakara. When Chris was here this spoke, he was said that what? How does he want this marriage to Chakara now? I was told that I am sorry now. I beg you that you should not be knocking kanda again. As I should come and let's look at our tries in Jacasses, but you are only knocking kanda. Does you not know that extra marital knocking on kanda is not a good knocking on kanda? Forgive me and came back. Let's take care of our Jacasses. But this Nyango was spoke that no mio. That other kanda that I'm knocking in the day is a wa, and I have spoke that because of that little kid back that he was getted, this our married half Chakara. It's so that the team was went to the court, and when they was went in the court, they was spoke that, oh, Mr. Krisha gave the bungalow to that Nyango. The Jackasses shall went to the Nyango. Mr. Krisha still be taking care of the trice Nyango, and her Nyango was started to be glutting that she is a wa, and that she shall went and saw the Sarah Padiman. It's so that Mr. Chris was there and was calculating this Nyango, but no man didn't knew. So one day in the church AM that this Nyango was when and hit peelings with that other Sarah and came back in the bungalow, Mr. Chris was moved a Tuhai. Tuhai take the Nyango in his gopo and Tuhai his own gopo, and both of them was dated a untimely die. If you not saw this video of the two die bodies, now is the time for you to bathe hands.
They are about to take the corpse right now to the car. This is the next corpse. Then they are taking the second corpse. So this is the other corpse that they are taking right now to the car. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is happening to our Cameroonian community. I can't believe this. You know, we have to stay at distance because the corpse doesn't want us to come nearby. But they already took the first corpse. This is the second corpse. I can't identify if it's the man or the woman, but this is the house of Mr. Chris Takam. I don't know what will happen for somebody to kill himself. So, my God, the children do need us and they do need our prayers.
As you have here in the video, that is how it was there. Mature Cameroonians Kore Sango and Betanyango just went and dated a untimely die. Kwara a untimely Kwara because of extramarital kandanakin and marital kedback. That is the twice of them there. Former Takam, Mr. and Mrs. Takam. Late Mr. and Mrs. Takam. Why? Why? What about the three jackasses? Was Yangopo not selecting in the inside when you were doing all the Ashos doors? Let me start with the Nyango. Some of you, this Nyango here is a war. Those people don't know that marital cutback is a thing that 90% of Padimen they marketing. And even when the Padiman have cut the cutback and you capture it, he shall come and beg that way. I beg you yourself shall spoke that way. Come and let's continue today. You, because of little cutback there, Padiman cut it. You went now and was dating a bed official to marry. Not even with any kind of man, but with a Saran Dambanaka. Dambanaka that the same way that they are knocking Damba, that is the same way that they can knock Kanda. You went and was knocking Kanda today. The minion was climbing in Yangopo Sute. You was half hard to come and tow your Padiman that was came and took you in Cameroon and brought you in the day that you want to went. You want to went to a Sarah. Forgetting that you have 3 Ainjaka with that Padiman. Forgetting that you and this Padiman have big family. Why? What was there in that Sarah Toto that was not there in Tataka and Ontoto? Where was you keep all the plan that you and Tataka have planned today that is Njaka de Shade? Eh? Some of you didn't go there. I don't understand. I don't understand. Why sometimes when you test a certain Toto, it's just making as if Yangopo have marked. If they say Yangopo is not enough in the inside. Anyway. Now, Mr. Taka. Was you not talking of your Njakasis before you was going to move this to her and Kwara yourself and Kwara this Njakasis Dareme? So it's only because of Grand Kako vanity that you was did this does. Now what shall happen now to these Njakasis now that people have lived in the back? Thrice, not even twice or ish. Thrice Njakasis. Eh? What is? Eh, I'm speaking to you now, I'm speaking back to you. This matter is a matter that is not we that can judge the matter. It's not a matter that we can settle it. It's only Papa God that can handle this matter. Anyways, that is how the story was there. As conversed to me by Simon Fomakam, the man that was there in the Michigan of USA. For the other spoke of a certain Brenda that is eating a camera candy, let's say in Gopo, not balancing the inside, which I spoke it in the other spark. That was today's edition of the Sunset English News, presented to you by Bali Top, check up by FMB Entertainment, under the serious realization of Dagos Union Consultancy, the bestest company for the bush falling affairs, and TC Designs, the international supplier, and the general Kafiash. May God bless you and give you long life. I'm Yusuf and Jackass, and your Jackass.